KULR stock analysis and KULR stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, what I'll personally be doing is showing you my exact play for tomorrow. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've personally seen what's printing me money and what's not. And I mean, all with that to say, I'm just sticking to my rules, right? Like, so how this would look like is that this is a bearish range currently. And with this bearish range, the only thing that I care is if there's a shift, right? But there is not a shift currently, and I get it because we're going to be opening up on tomorrow, Monday. And unless there's a full candle close about 654 or anything, I wouldn't quite frankly care. So there you go, 81 results popping up in here. If you want to learn how making 10K per month trading, go check the free emails. Not the free emails, it's more so the sauce, which 1,276 people have gotten. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. First link in the description.